conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good morning. Okay, let me open the collaborator. Okay, this is the one. In the last class, we started with the JSON, and I told JSON is JavaScript object notation, and JSON is used for data exchange between the client and server, and JSON is lightweight data format, lightweight data exchange format, and JSON is language independent, which can work for C, C++, C Sharp, Python, PHP, Java, Ruby, Golang, Groovy. JSON have two built-in formats. One is the object, which is same like a Python dictionary, and one is array, same like a Python list and tuple. And JSON key must be string type that could be available with the double quotes only. And wherever we find a string, it enclosed with the double quotes only. That is the JSON format. Come to the object. Object is collection of key value pairs, and which is going to be starts with curly braces and ends with the curly braces again. And key must be string. Key must be string that could be enclosed with the double quotes. Value can be any kind of data. It may be an integer, it may be a floating, it may be an array, object, boolean, string, null. So this is object, guys. Okay, name Mohansh, age 22, salary 56,000, married, false, something like that. And what is array then? Array is collection of values. Collection of values, nothing but value can be any kind of data. It may be integer, it may be float, it may be boolean, string, array, object, null. Array starts with square braces, ends with square braces. And just an array values are separated by comma, and array last value don't use comma. So this is array, collection of objects. The first object about Mohansh, second object about Rohit, the third object about Mansa. Okay, so finally, what we have to do with this JSON? There are two things as last class I told okay, one second. I just want to explore it. There are two things. So we have the Python here, and we have the JSON here. We have the Python here, we have the JSON here. In Python, we have two kind of collections. Okay, one is a dictionary, one is a list, for example. One is a dictionary, one is a list. Okay, in JSON, you have two things. One is object, one is array. One is object, one is array. Let me go. One is object, one is array. Okay, so you can able to convert dictionary to object and object to dictionary. So you can able to convert Python to JSON or JSON to Python. Dictionary object you can able to convert to JSON object, or JSON object you can convert to Python dictionary. That is possible. At the same time, Python list you can able to convert to JSON array, or JSON array you can able to convert it to Python list. So there are two possibilities. These possibilities we can able to do with the module called JSON. JSON module. JSON module. We try to explore the JSON module today, and we try to convert Python dictionary to JSON object and Python list to JSON array. At the same time, JSON object to Python dictionary and JSON array to Python list. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear till now so far? Yeah. Yes. Let me go. Please change the names. I don't know. Some number is there. 591154. Please change your name. Change your name. Yeah. Okay. Come to the point. Let me import the JSON module first. Import JSON. Import JSON. JSON module I want to import first. Okay. Let me connect it to the cloud. Cloud connecting. Okay. Import JSON. The function was executed. Module was imported. Now I took a simple Python dictionary. Now I took a simple Python dictionary. Okay. So this is PyDict. PyDict. Okay, so one apple, two orange. So Python dictionary key can be anything. Key can be number also. Okay, in Python dictionary key can be a number also. Okay, I'm taking the key as number. So mango. This is our Python dictionary. This is our Python dictionary. I can able to load this. I can able to execute it. It can able to execute. But this is Python dictionary. So my requirement is I want to convert this Python dictionary to JSON. How to convert this into JSON? Okay, so let me go. There is a module. So JSON object now. I want to convert the JSON object is equal to JSON dot JSON dot. There is a method called dump or dumps your Python dictionary. Okay, accept it and print your JSON object. Yeah, it was converted to JSON. So I just want to check whether it is right JSON or wrong JSON. Whether it is the right JSON or wrong JSON. It is already converted to JSON. I want to check it out. Just go to JSON lint.com. Just open JSON lint.com and whatever the output I got, I'm just checking that. Validate it. Okay. Now the JSON is valid. JSON is valid. Okay. So what is happening here? What is happening here? You are taking Python dictionary. Basically, you are taking Python dictionary. Python dictionary key can be anything. I'm taking key as a number, but I'm converting that into the JSON format. Now, this is something like a Python dictionary. Python dictionary convert to JSON object. Python dictionary converted to JSON object. Yeah, it was already converted. It was already converted. Now let me take a list. Let me take a list of employees. Let me take a list of employees now. Okay, employees object. Employees array. Okay, employees array. I'm taking as first employee something like name, or you can just directly write like this: name Mohansh. Okay, and age 22. Salary 34,000. Something like this. This is my first object. This is my first object. Okay, so for this name I took single quotes. Why? Because this is string, right? This is string, right? Age also string. Let me took single quotes then. Okay, salary 34,000. This is my first employee object. Okay, I would like to take more employees here. I would like to take more employees here. Okay, let me took more employees for that. I'm taking one more employee. Okay, name Divya, age 21, and salary 44,000. And one more thing I will take. Name Rohit, age 20, salary 24,000. Okay, this is my array. This is my employees array. Normal Python, normal Python list. This is normal Python list. Normal Python list. Okay, what my requirement is, I want to convert this into JSON array. What my requirement is, I want to convert this into JSON array. How to convert this into JSON array? Okay, employee JSON, employee JSON array. Employee JSON array is equal to JSON dot same dumps. Same dumps. Okay, take this employees array into the dumps method. Now finally execute this. Now finally execute this. Okay, I can able to convert that into the JSON. Let me copy this and check validate this is the right JSON or wrong JSON. Check validate this is the right JSON or wrong JSON. Just go through validator, JSON validator, and click on the validate JSON. Okay, JSON is valid, sir. Yeah, JSON is valid JSON. Okay, name taken double quotes. Even Mohansh taken double quotes. Age also taken double quotes. But in my Python, it is actually available with the single quotes only. But it was converted to JSON. Data interchangeable format. It was converted to JSON. Everybody got to understand how this dumps method is going to be working, like how you are converting your uh, Python dictionary to JSON object, Python list to JSON array. Dumps method. I hope everybody got to understand about the dumps method. Any questions on this? Any questions on this on dumps method? Let me check. I want to take the employees array. Uh, let me let me took a tuple. This is the list. List is converting to the JSON. That is okay. And I would like to take employees. Okay. Now I'm taking as tuple. I'm taking as tuple or tuple, whatever it may be. This is employees. Now this time it is tuple. Now this time it is tuple. This is tuple or not? I'm taking this value with parenthesis. When you are keeping the values in the parenthesis, that is the tuple. Okay. Can I convert tuple into the JSON? Can I convert tuple into the JSON? Let me check it out. EMPS JSON is equal to JSON dot dumps. Inside this, you take the value as EMPS. Finally, I want to check the object as EMPS JSON. I can able to convert. I can able to convert. No issues. List you can convert into the JSON. Tuple also you can convert into the JSON. Can we check with the set? Can we check with the set now? Okay. So same EMPS, same EMPS. Sorry, same EMPS. I want to take as set now. I want to take as set now. Curly braces open. Curly braces close. This time it is set. Oh, type error. What happened? You cannot take objects in set. Huh? Maybe you cannot unhashable type dictionary. Okay, fine. You cannot take. You cannot take as these values as set. Okay, fine. Clear. Next, the requirement is whenever you have the JSON object, you need to convert into the Python. For example, first of all, I want to take a JSON object, EMP is equal to, okay, took a JSON object, some JSON object I want to take. I want to take this. This is proper JSON. This is proper JSON. Okay, take it and keep inside the curly braces. Okay, so new new lines not allowed. That is the reason. What you can do is you can write it down. Okay, I will write the JSON now. I took object. Okay, employee name Mohansh. I'm writing proper JSON here. Employee name Mohansh. Employee age. This is giving employee age 22, employee salary 34,000. That is a proper JSON. So now execute this EMP. Just you can able to see the EMP. That is the JSON file. But what my requirement is, I want to convert this into the dictionary. Convert JSON to dict. JSON object to dict. JSON object to dict. That is the JSON object. I want to convert that into the dictionary. Okay, how to convert into the dictionary? Now EMP dictionary is equal to. There is a one more method. We already seen about the dumps method. Now we need to see about the loads method. There is a one more method called loads method. Loads. JSON dot loads. Okay, loads of what? Loads of what? EMP. Loads of EMP. Now you can able to see already converted. Now you can just check it out. Employee dictionary output. Output of employee dictionary. Now this is the dictionary. So now this is the dictionary. Very clear. Okay. EMP dictionary. I can able to access the value now. From dictionary, I can able to access the value now. I can able to access EMP name. I can able to access EMP name, and I can able to access EMP age also. Let me access the EMP age also. Employee dictionary EMP age. EMP age. I try to access one by one all the things. EMP age. If I try to access EMP age, I can able to access. Can I access EMP salary? This is dictionary. I can able to perform any kind of operations on this. EMP dictionary employee salary. EMP dict employee salary. EMP underscore salary. I can able to access it. I can try to insert the value into the dictionary also, right? I want to check it out. EMP dict of EMP dict of. I'm just checking like one more value I'm trying to appending for this is equal to something like false. F capital letter. I'm trying to adding the one more value, sir. I'm trying to adding the one more value. Finally, dictionary operations I can able to see. Now the dictionary have the married attribute also. Name is already available, age is already available, salary is already available. I try to add one more value for that. It is possible. Married false. I'm just checking like this is a proper dictionary or not. What is the type of this one? I want to check the type of this one. It was properly the JSON data properly converted to the dictionary or not? JSON properly converted to the dictionary or not? Type of the yes, that was already converted. I am performing different kind of operations also. That is the proper dictionary. I can able to do a number of operations on that. Any questions so far on this? Now let me take a list of employees also. Yeah, this one. I took a list of employees, JSON array. I took a JSON array now. Let me took a JSON array. JSON array employees employees JSON. Okay, took this. Sorry. Yeah. So here I want to take a array. Array means what? Array means what? Collection of values, right? This is my first object, first employee. Take a one more employee. Take a one more employee. Copy this, comma here. Take a one more employee. First employee called Mohansh. Second employee called Rohit. 21. Salary 54,000. And third employee I want to take. A number of employees you can take it. That is not an issue. How many employees you want, you can take it. That is not a problem. But in the single line, don't keep the another line. If you go for another line, it will give the error. And the third value will be Manasa. And age is 20. And salary is 64,000. Okay, this is my JSON array. This is my JSON array. This is my JSON array. Just print it. Yeah, this is my JSON array. Then my requirement is I want to convert JSON array to Python list. I want to convert JSON array to Python list. Now you take a list by our employees list. Now this is the list object. Same loads JSON dot loads. JSON dot loads. EMPS JSON, EMPS list. Okay, I got it. What is the type of the object? I want to check it out. What is the type of the object? What is the type of the object? I want to check it out. That is the JSON data. JSON data properly converted to the list or not. JSON data properly converted to the list or not. Yes, it was converted. It was properly converted. Am I clear, guys? Okay, can I perform some operations on this list? Can I perform some operations on this list of 0? Yeah, I can able to see. I want to get only employee name from this. I want to get only employee name from this of EMP name. That is Mohansh. I want to get only salary. I want to get only salary. Yes, EMP salary. EMP salary. I can able to see. Okay, this is the first employee salary. This is the first employee salary, and this is the second employee salary, and this is the third employee salary. First employee salary, second employee salary, third employee salary. So one by one, I can able to pick up. Now you may ask a question, sir. Directly it is converting to the list, but I want to see the tuple. The same data I want to see the tuple. What we can do? This list object I want to see as tuple. This list object I want to see as tuple. Then what I can do? Anybody? How to convert list to tuple? By default, JSON is converting to the list with the loads method, but I want to see as tuple. How to convert your list to tuple? Anybody? My old people, old students can tell. Via can tell. Pawan, Rohit Pawan can tell. Amarnath, Chaitanya. Chandu, Divya, Karthik, Lohit, Pavan, Sandeep, Siddhartha, Shreya, Subodh.
We have to take the
Very good.
tuple of the variable, sir. Tuple of emps underscore list. We need to set it to one variable.
Right. No need to take the variable. Yeah.
Okay. And tuple of that
Tuple of,
list variable.
yes, yes. Tuple of the list. It was converted already. It was converted already. Can I convert into the dictionary or can I convert into the set? This one? Set of. Set of list. Set of list. Set of. Yes, possible. No, 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 no. Unhashable. No, not possible. Can I convert into the dict of? No, not possible. Only list and tuple possibilities. So this is about the dumps methods and load method. We done two things. One is the JSON dot dumps. Now tell me what is the purpose of the dumps? What is the purpose of the loads? What is the purpose of dumps method? What is purpose of loads method? Anybody?
To
Anyone can
convert
tell.
from JS to JSON, we use dumps, and from JSON to JS, we use loads.
No, 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 no. Dictionary. Dictionary to
Yeah,
JSON object. Dictionary to JSON object dumps method.
dumps.
Dictionary to
JSON object.
hmm, dictionary to JSON object. That is the dumps method. Yeah. And one more. Array to list to. Python list to JSON array. Python list to JSON array. That is also dumps method. Then tell about the loads method.
Convert from JSON object to dictionaries,
Hmm,
and from JSON array to lists. We use load method.
exactly. So that is a dumps method and that is a loads method. So everybody got understand about the JSON. Any questions on this? If you have any queries and questions, you can ask me now. Amarnath, Chaitanya, Chandu, Divya, Karthik, Lohit, Pavan, Rohit, Sandeep, Siddhartha, Shreya, Subodh. Any questions on this? Can I go with the next topic? Can I move to the next topic? Yes, fine. Let's go with the one more topic called files. Files in Python. Okay, what are the different kind of operations we can able to do with the files here? I can able to create the file. I can able to read the file. I can able to write the file. I can able to delete the file. Some CRUD operations I can able to perform. This is the local file. Inside your folder, a file can be created. Inside the local folder, you can able to create the file. Okay. First of all, whenever you want to read the file, I don't have any file system right now in the folder. In the folder, I don't have any files right now. Right now in the folder, I don't have any files, but I want to create the new file now. I want to create the new file now. Okay. Whenever you want to create the file, what you want to do is open file. Okay, let me go to the code. Okay, a file is equal to open. I don't have any file right now. I need to create the file, something like data.txt format. I want to create the file. First of all, this is the writing format. In the writing format, I want to go for. In the writing format, I want to go for. Okay, then what I want to do is f.write. f dot write some data in that. Okay. Hello, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. This is the data I want to add into the file. Now after this, f dot close. First of all, open the file. Open the file in the right format. Open the file in the right format. Write the data. Close it. Okay. This is the right format. Okay. Let me execute this. Executed. Now you can see data.txt created. Can you see this? This is not available previously. This data.txt is not available previously. Am I right? Previously data.txt is available or not?
Not available.
Now what I'm doing? I'm trying to creating the file. I'm trying to creating the file. This is a create. This is a create. Create means create and write. Create and write data into that. Create the file and write the data into that. Am I clear, guys? Next, I want to read the file. I have the file already available. Now I want to go with the next property. Read data. How to read the data from the file? Read data from file. Read data from file. Even for reading, I need to open the file. F is equal to open of. If you want to read, first of all open. Otherwise, you cannot able to read. Open the file and read it and accept it. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see this? What is happening, guys? F is equal to open of data.txt. 1 second, guys. I will talk to you. Just give me 1 more minute. Sorry. Right. This is the read the data from the file. First of all, we need to open the file, then read the data and close every time. So what is the data we have inside it? Hello, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. That is the data actually available in the file data.txt. Data.txt. Okay. The next one, how to append the data. How to append the data. Hmm. How to append the data for this file. Let me do. F is equal to. If you want to append the data, again you need to open the file. Okay, open data.txt. Sorry, txt. And this time you have to give the attribute called a. A means append. W means write data.
Right.
R means read data. A means append data. Okay. Then F dot write again. Already some data is available. One line is available. Already one line is available in the file. What is the line available? Hello, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. But I want to append the more data into that. But I want to take the new line. I want to take the new line. So we are learning Gen AI. We are learning Gen AI. Okay. I want to write a few more lines. We are learning full stack Python. We are learning full stack Python. We want to write a one more line. We are learning Marn stack. Marn stack. Okay. We are learning Marn stack. Okay. We are writing one more line. All courses are free. All courses are free. One more line. Like videos, comment videos. Like and comments videos. Sir, uh, I would like to write a number of lines like this. Then finally, what I need to do? Finally, what is operation? Remember, whenever you are opening the file, you need to close it. Whenever you are opening the file, you need to close it, sir. Close. Yes, executed. Can I read one more time? Can I read one more time to see the data? To see the data appended or not? To see the data appended or not? I want to read one more time. Can you see what is the file now? How much data is there in the file? How much data is there in the data.txt? Huge data got added. Huh? We are learning Gen AI. We are learning full stack Python. We are learning Mern stack. All courses are free. Like and comment videos. Am I clear, guys? Any questions on this? Am I clear? Any questions on this? Okay, now checking the file availability. Check file availability. Okay, data.txt I have it, but I am checking with the data1.txt. Data.txt I created now. This is the data.txt. If you want, you can download it. You can check it out. Download the data.txt. Open it. This is the data. Notepad. Txt data. Text data created. Okay, I want to check data1.txt is available or not in my folder. Data1.txt available or not in my folder, or data is available or not. Check file availability. Check file availability. For this, what we need to do is, first we need to import one module called OS module. Import OS. If OS dot path exists, what is the name of the file? For example, I am checking like data1.txt. Data1.txt. If it is available, just go with the print file is available, otherwise file is not available. Right. Now execute it. File is available or not available? Data1.txt with us. I don't have data1.txt, right? I have only data.txt. Okay, check data.txt is available with me or not in my folder. File is available. Data.txt is available, sir. Data1.txt is not available. Okay, now I would like to create data1.txt in my folder. I will create and I will delete it. Data1.txt. I'm creating it now. Now see data.txt is there, data1.txt is there. Now execute the same thing. Now execute the same thing with data1.txt. With data1.txt, file is available. Data.txt, file is available. Data2.txt, no, it is not available. Okay, let me do one thing. Finally, data.txt is available, data1.txt is available. Finally, data1.txt I want to remove some. So we see how to create the file. We seen how to append the data. We seen how to read the data. We seen check the file availability. Now final operation is delete operation. How to delete the file from a system. Delete operation. Delete file. If you want to delete file, first of all, import OS. What the file you want to remove? What the file you want to remove? Just write it. os dot remove. What file you want to remove? Can I remove data1.txt? Can I remove data1.txt? Can I remove it? Yeah, that was removed. Now check the file availability. After removing it, check the availability. I removed, sir. I removed data1.txt. Now I'm checking the availability. File is available or not. File is not available. Open the folder. Check it out. Is available. Huh? Data1.txt is available. Huh? It is removed, sir, already. Okay. This is the way of doing the file operations. Okay. There is a one more simple thing. How to rename your file. There is a one more operation. Rename your files. Rename your file. How to rename your file? For example, I have the file already. Import OS first. Sir, some kind of operations OS module you need to import. OS dot rename data.txt. I want to rename to rename. I want to take data.txt to Mohansh.txt. Mohansh.txt. This is something like renaming. Okay, can you see? Data.txt rename it to Mohansh.txt. So this is about the file system. Any questions on this? Any queries and questions on this? Any questions and queries on this? Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Amarnath, Chaitanya, Chandu, Divya, Karthik, Lohit, Pavan, Rohit, Pavan, and Sandeep, Siddhartha, Sriya, Subodh. Okay, this is the class for today. I can't able to speak much. My throat is paining. Okay, guys, let's continue tomorrow with a beautiful topic like OOPS concepts. And after that, we go through the NumPy pandas. Then we start with the machine learning. This week, we have to go through the machine learning, deep learning, all these things. Definitely. Any questions on this?
So the file got a renamed.
Yeah, already renamed. Huh?
Oh, this. Oh, okay.
Data.txt previously. Now
Yeah,
this is
yeah, yeah.
Mohans.txt. Okay, sir. See you. Signing off. And please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go ahead with subscription and click on the bell icon for the further notifications. Your comments are valuable, sir. Please provide your comments also. for the videos. I will upload the video within 1 hour.
How many classes has been in? Because last week, couple of days, I didn't attend any classes.
1 second. I think only 5 classes. Monday to Friday, 5
Monday
classes.
to Friday.
And
You can
this
check
is
in
this is the
channel.
6th class. Yeah,
Yeah,
you can go to in the
yeah.
playlist. You can see Gen AI. Only 5 videos there.
Okay, fine.
And after today, sixth
Sure.
class.
Yeah,
You can just go through all the videos. Just go through all the videos one by one.
yeah, definitely.
Step by step. Step by step is there.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye for now. See you signing off. We'll meet tomorrow.